I'm Mahi Gupta from class 9B. My roll number is 20 and today I'm going to present my English activity on the topic Cultural Jewelry of Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the city popular for its culture, artistic side and mouth-melting flavors in food. It is a state from where several royals and rulers brought their tradition, which is still seen in their artistic taste of jewelry and clothes. Rajasthani jewelry is a combination of ongoing trend with authentic traditional designs. The design which no woman can deny to wear and flaunt. First type of jewelry worn by women in Rajasthan is Kundan jewelry. Kundan jewelry is famous for its perplexing designs among ladies. The manufacturing of Kundan jewelry needs very detailed work and time. Initially, these stones are determined to profoundly fine gold. These days, silver Kundan jewelry is also available. Utilization of artificial stones in this jewelry makes it less costly. Second type of jewelry is Thewa jewelry. The traditional art of making Thewa jewelry is very old in Rajasthan. Thewa jewelry is the fusion of gold and glass together, in which pure gold are created on a multicolored glass. The bright colors and motifs are used for making the jewelry that incorporates the rich culture of Rajasthan. Third type of jewelry is Meenakari jewelry. Meenakari jewelry, originated from Jaipur, Rajasthan, is exceptionally renowned for its designs and bright colors. In Meenakari art, jewelry is designed by engraving the outlines of blossoms, winged animals and fish. Generally, gold and silver are used as the base of Meenakari. Fourth type of jewelry is tribal jewelry. Tribal jewelry is very common and famous among Rajasthani ladies and is in huge demand. Upper armlet, neck ring or hamsuli and manglia string neckband along with a belt that is heavy and in layers. Single waist chain and toe rings in gajre outlines are other tribal ornaments that are exceptionally famous. Tokaria or antique tribal old silver hoops are likewise exceptionally well known among the tribal individuals in Rajasthan. These kind of tribal jewelry is mostly loved by locals and tourists both. Fifth type of jewelry is lag jewelry. The most beautiful and attractive lag jewelry is very popular ornament in Rajasthan. Lag bangles are made in charming, vibrant colors. Red, blue, gold are the mostly used hues in the manufacturing of lag jewelry. Semi-precious stones are used and also known as common gold in Rajasthan and other states. Sixth type of jewelry is chokar and Rani Har. Traditional Rajasthani jewelry in the form of Rani Har studded with precious multicolored gems. The neck piece is heavy, covering the neck, and Rani Har kisses the navel. The jewelry is made up of gold and uncut diamonds give the impressive look. Seventh type of jewelry is Rakhdi. Rakhdi is commonly known as Mang Tika. It is the accessory which the bride wears on her forehead. It comes in numerous designs and patterns. Eighth type of jewelry is Kundan Bhutti. Kundan Bhutti is a pattern of jhumka, long and heavy, studded with gems and stones. It is both precious and semi-precious. The designs are unique and modern that gives the bride an astonishing look. Ninth type of jewelry is Bajuband and Chuda. These ornaments are commonly worn by Rajput and Marwari brides. Their astonishing design, engraved on gold and set of bangle, signifies the marital ecstasy. Thank you.